Microwave has quite a while in the past become a piece of our daily existence. With regards to heating up food or making popcorn, it is top-notch. Be that as it may, present-day microwaves have barbecue, yet additionally a convector. We should discuss what a convection in a microwave is and how to utilize it. What is convection? Convection is a method of hotness trade in which wind currents move. Convection depends on the guideline of a characteristic air development, when the virus layer, getting warmed, ascends up, and the upper layer chills off, gets heavier, and lets down. This interaction is timeless. What is a method of constrained convection in a microwave? For that cycle, a microwave ought to contain a convector and a hotness component. Warming component is liable for warmth, and convector moves it around the gadget. The convector is in many cases put on the back divider. Because of airflow, temperature in a gadget can reach 200 degrees Celsius. While arriving at the expected temperature, fan switches off. Assuming the temperature inside diminishes, once more, it turns on. Some microwave models have a few convectors. The producers express that such models are significantly more viable. What is convection required for? This capacity extends chances of a cook and the actual gadget in planning of a scope of dishes that are difficult to make with a customary microwave. This capacity permits to broil meat, fish and poultry, prepare patty cakes, rolls, bread rolls, meringue and pizza. How to use convection microwave oven. The following are a couple of tips on the most proficient method to cook with this mode. Utilize just extraordinary utensils, intended for UHF broilers. Make food in such a volume with the goal that it won't come out crude. Each model ought to be gone with an exceptional rack that permits wind streams to circle around the cooking dish. To get fresh outside layer, use convection with a barbecue. This will assist with saving energy, yet additionally your time. Prior to beginning baking bread, biscuits and rolls and cooking fish, poultry and meat, preheat the broiler for 10 minutes. A convection broiler is unquestionably better compared to an ordinary microwave or an OTG. While a microwave has recently the one mode for cooking and warming food varieties, an OTG or oven, toaster, grill can be utilized to cook utilizing different strategies. Notwithstanding, a convection microwave, as referenced prior, offers the smartest possible solution as it includes this multitude of cooking techniques.